Hello there, and welcome to Eric and the Online Shoemaking Class. I'm truly excited to have you here. I am Elijah Kiwande, and I will be your guide on this creative and rewarding journey. At Ericande, we believe that craftsmanship is more than just a skill. It is passion, patience, and the pursuit of excellence. Over the course of this class, you will learn not just shoemaking, but how to make shoes with your own hands. You will learn the principle of pattern making, designs, cutting, stitchings, and finishing. You'll be able to transform raw leathers into wearable arts. Now, at the end of this class, you should have confidence in creating your own designs, having your own repairs, and also making different designs of shoes. Now, it is important that you stay committed. It's important that you practice over and over again. Whenever you have any question, do not fail to pass those questions straight and direct to me. It's very important that we work together so that we can achieve amazing things together. Friends, your journey is about to start, and definitely this will transform your life. So guys, let's do great things together, and I will see you in class.